here today with the new Millermatic 355. This is the next in line replacement of the 350P. It's been an existing kind of workhorse for us for over 10 years now. It's kind of built on our new platform, very similar in look to the 255, very similar user interface, and most of the changes to the machine has been to the user interface. So similar output characteristics of the existing 350P. This is a up to 400 amp machine on 3-phase. It's 208 to 575 volt single or 3-phase, so it covers a broad spectrum for manufacturing input voltages and phases. Pulse, standard CV, many different pulse parameters that are set up for different wires. One of the greatest things that's in this machine is the auto set technology. So with the auto set and pulse off, traditional 2-knot machine like a lot of people are used to, we've got some advanced setup features that are in the back. Some things with this machine that are different from the old 350Ps that are new is trigger select, trigger lock setups. There is locks and limits that have been added to it for different levels of manufacturing. We want to be able to lock down wire feed speeds and voltages in different percentages, all the way down to no changes. That's a pretty big thing in this classification machine. It's never been in this kind of price point before. So it's also got the additional, you used to see the old machines when you lift up the door, there was like a reference chart of starting voltages and amperages and wire feed speeds. We've actually integrated that in as a P chart now, and you actually just tell the machine what gas type, wire diameter, and material thickness, and you can actually load it right there, and it preloads it into the machine for you. Past the regular traditional 2-knot machine, you've got a couple of different settings. You've got pulse in conjunction, gives you nice setup screens, shows you how to connect it. The machine actually will do polarity checks to see if the output lugs are configured correctly for the right polarity. And it'll actually give you a warning sign saying that you're in reverse polarity if it's not correct for that setting. It's actually got an input phase indicator on it as well as a temperature gauge. But when we're in pulse, you'll see that it changes to an arc length setting, wire feed speed, and when you go then and go into an auto set configuration, this is being CV, you've got gas and wire type, wire diameter, material thickness, which you can then change material thickness on the fly. Very easy to switch. Same thing when you go into pulse and auto set. It's now giving you, basically, we're in 90-10 gas configuration that we're hooked up to. We're using 035 wire, and then you just change material type, thicknesses as needed. And the machine auto set settings are very, very, very nice pre-programmed settings. From there you can make small tweaks if you want to tweak the art, but they're very nice cam settings for most manufacturing.
Let's take over here.
So this is 035 solid wire. We are set in the auto set setting with pulse, set to 1/8" material thickness. As you can see, desirable results.
You're so good at welding.
Not really, it's all the machine. Okay, 1/4" material set to 1/4" on the screen.
Quick switch from 1/4 to 3/8. Cam settings.
Pulse?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Are you happy with that weld?
Yay.
Another couple of changes that happened from the existing 350P to the new 355 is we've actually changed it so it's got a mechanical tap switch in it. That makes it very easy to switch on the fly for manufacturing from 208/240 to a 460/575 volt configuration. And it's also got the newest, latest, and greatest 4-drive roll system that we've pulling out of our industrial equipment. There's the old 350P. This machine has full capability to run push-pull gun. You can see there's the additional plug here for push-pull gun capability. XR Illumipros and XR Pistol Pro guns configure into it as long as a vast array of different spool mates.